Okay, Mommy. So,
We're at Canal.
I see a dandelion. There's my flower. Oh, I see a look. Okay, Deuce. Let's see if we can find something cool. I shall get. Ew! Don't show the picking of the poop. That's a big stick.
Not really.
Something touched me. Okay. There's that. Okay. I see nothing. No cool flowers. Anything.
Oh, it's early on our clock.
There's a trash can.
Not very interesting.
No. It's knocked over. Why are those platforms over there?
I don't know. Oh my God, we went.
What's that? Is that a flower? Can't see. Big stick.
Why don't you pause it until we find something
I
interesting?
can't pause.
Yes,
Oh,
you can.
there's geese.
Oh, there's geese. Go ahead over.
How do you pause?
You just hit stop. Oh, will it end then?
Yes.
There's geese. Are you sure?
There's a big stump. That
It'll
is
end
a
it. Just
tree
hit
that
the
was.
screen. See if it pauses it.
No.
Oh,
I know my stuff.
pause it.
Twiggish thing. What is that?
There's Peter Cottontail's tail.
Purple. Okay, the sun. You can't even see it. Green stuff on the ground.
That'd be geese poop.
Ew! Ew! I thought I stepped in. Cool. Good. A baseball field. The big.
I don't think you're gonna see too much. Interesting.
What's that in the water?
A dead body
Sure.
or a rock.
Is that a rock? I can't see. Is it a platform?
That's a big rock.
What are those there for?
I don't know.
Do you know anything about
Maybe a grill.
Whoa. Is that poison ivy?
No, those are flowers.
Are any of them bloomed yet? Because they're pretty stems. Nope, nope, nope. No, 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 nope, nope. Okay, more that aren't bloomed yet. Oh, there's a moth. Dirt. Some plant. Oh, it's getting cold. What's that? Is that a flower or garbage? Garbage. Yellow flower. Hold it. Can you hold this? Okay. It looks like one big house.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. That's what you meant. Is that what you meant?
Yes.
That's not what I was trying to go for.
So there's the island oasis. It's the big sand island. It's the mini Bahamas of the NAA.
They can't even see it. It just looks like grass. Look, it just looks like grass on the thing.
Yeah.
No, honeysuckles.
No, I don't know. Honeysuckles, even when they are blooming,
They're only up for a little bit, too. So they may not be up yet. Pole, another pole. How many poles are there? Oh, a love note on the tree.
Alexa and
Nookie.
Nikki.
Oh, wait, that's not it. You can't even. Heart.
How cute.
With all the bugs flying around it. Oh, there's a big dog coming up. I'll go on the right. Hopefully it's not pooing.
Always gotta pee.
Why is there a birch tree? Is that a birch tree?
I think so, yes.
It's so pretty. Oopsie. It's really pretty.
I think.
That's what it looks like on Minecraft. That's the only reason I knew. That's an oak. Am I right? Is that oak?
I have no idea. You're asking around.
There's a Minecraft. Another platform. What are those there for? And there's the long snake. Snake. That's a big dog.
That's a big dog.
I can't even see
Don't
it.
film it though, or the people.
I know. I'll just
It's a
have
big
the
husky.
oh huskies. Bunch. Look that way. That's a playground. Right. Look at the rivers. They look so
Mhm.
pretty.
It's pretty. The water, sun glistening.
Yeah. Straight to the right.
Hi.
Want to play games?
Yeah, turn that off.
Right.